All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. We're going to unbox two more straps from Leather Merchant. So they're having another sale right now on their website, so go check them out and enjoy 15% off on top of actually, there's a sale on top of a sale right now already. They're still kind of going through a grand opening. They're really trying to push the straps and really kind of aggravate the market, like I said before in my previous video. And I think they're doing a good job. They're getting some exposure, and seems like he's just been doing a really good job this past few weeks or a couple of weeks here. So let's get going here. First, if you remember from the last video, I unboxed the Elegantia Epsom, and it's been about a week on wrist already, and pretty consistent wear, and it's holding up pretty good. Very flexible, really nice strap. Right now I currently have it on a field watch, so a little bit more of a dressier strap, but it does work on an everyday field watch, especially like a Seiko here. I think this one here, the brown and the black with those silver applied indices, looks really good. Very comfortable on wrist. And yeah, so we're gonna see what else we have in the packages here. Quick wrist check. I got the Crimson Camasso on today. Just been really digging this watch. Really enjoying the look. All right, so let's get going. First strap, same packaging as the one before. Oh yeah, this is one to see. I think these are two new straps for me. I've never had them in the collection before. I've never had hands-on experience with them before, and these ones look really good so far. Very supple, very flexible. I believe this one here is the Cordovan, Shell Cordovan. It's going to be a little bit more stiffer, but as you can see here, really flexible. So looking really good. This is like a greenish kind of taupe kind of color, and I think this is going to go really well with a lot of my watches. So yeah, if you can see here, obviously everything goes nicely with the Seiko, but that's going to look really nice as well. So the 20 millimeter, as you can see there, really, again, I really appreciate the stitching. The stitching is done really to a high level, and it's very nicely put together. It's really nicely done. Again, good hardware. Very nice stuff here. Okay, so I'm excited to wear one of those and maybe break that in. Again, pretty supple, pretty soft, but the more you wear them, the more they're gonna break in, the nicer they're gonna be. Okay, here we go with box number 2. Almost forgot what it was. Oh wow. Yeah, okay, so first, again, first for me as well. I've never really handled ostrich. So premium ostrich. This is called the Fastbird, and wow, just from the look, I thought it was going to be very stiff, but this is actually one of the most flexible straps I have in the collection right now. And of course, so Fastbird in dark brown. Really nice. This one here is a 19, and the reason I got this was because I've never had one in the collection before. I really always like the elegance and the light play that you get off the ostrich, and so here we go. I got two 19 millimeter strap watches, and the first one, well, they're both Seikos. I'm just going to show you here while I take off the other strap. So the first is a King Seiko 44-990, original gold emblem. It's got the original hacking seconds hand. So this one here is, everything's actually new on this. Sorry, everything's actually original on this, unpolished. The only thing that's new is a OEM boxed crystal. That's about the only thing. Everything else is original. You can see it has a little spot there at the 9 o'clock. But other than that, everything's in really good condition. So let's go ahead and strap this guy on. It's gonna look really nice. hopefully it doesn't get too much in the way of the lugs. I know the other one that I had was kind of rubbing up against the lugs. The good thing about the King Seiko, it has those really big kind of squared off lugs. All right, look at that, just ups the class and the style of watch. Really, really, really nice. I'll get a wrist shot here as well. Really good stuff. Nice and flexible, good length. Nice keepers, slide in easy. And there you go. So 37 millimeter case, 6 3/4 inch wrist, and just pure comfort all the way around. Again, really good hardware. Looking really, really good. Yeah, this one's probably going to stay on this watch for a while. As you can see there, there's one Seiko, and you know, this is a custom made leather ballet that I have had made for me, and it was made by a friend as well. This is Rawlings Baseball Tannery, and just to show you the difference in color and leathers, here's another shot. So you got like ostrich leather, an Epsom leather, and then you got your shell cordovan leather here. Different tones, different colors going on. Really, really good looks. And yeah, and then this is the other 19 millimeter lug width watch that I have. And like I said, I believe, you know, this could work. This strap can work on either of these watches. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Eric, if you're watching this, done a really, really good job. You kind of did what you said you were gonna do. I hope you keep going and you have all the success. These straps are really, really good. And yeah, just wish you all the best. And yeah, thanks for watching. As always, if you guys like these straps, like these watches, these combos, let me know in the comments. And go check out Wristwatch Check 2133 and Leather Merchant as well on Instagram. Again, this video is not sponsored by them. I did pay for these straps with my own money, but like I said, I really actually like them, and I think that they're really good value right now, especially because they're having that sale. And I mean, just look at them, like look at the quality of straps that you're getting here. So go check them out, and thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you guys in the next video.